This is the first weekend, and since it's an anticipated Mass, this is the first Sunday Mass, I celebrate as assigned member of the new team of pastors of Santo Rosario Parish. Together with Monsignor Joseph Tan, our moderator, together with Monsignor Renato Beltran, as member of the team. That being member of the team is also the Chancellor of the Archdiocese of Cebu, Father Benji Elera, the former parish priest of Kawayan Dalaget, now member of the team of pastors here with me, and Father Cirilo, parochial vicar, also previously from the parish in the south. Now, we just arrived last Tuesday, and I am 20 years a priest. A number of times I've been transferred from one assignment to another. And the moment I set foot on assignment, I know right there that sooner I will also be transferred. But when the time comes, when it strikes, it hurts still. It hurts. So it's not easy. Perhaps you cannot relate to it. But for us priests, it's not easy. Not just the burden of carrying your things around, but the task of the burden, the pain of leaving the parish. You started to fall in love with the people around you, and now start all over again. That's our life. And now it's another start. We start all over again. But to me, it's a reminder that is what faith is. To be sent, to live, to be transferred, to live and arrive at a certain destination. That is part of the journey of a believer. Remember, when God said He loves, what the next thing is, He sent His Son. The Gospel of John, chapter 3, verse 16 says, God so loved the world, He sent His Son. Therefore, sending is part of loving. Therefore, sending is an act of love. It hurts, yes, but our response to the call to be sent is an act of love. Our coming over, our saying yes, being obedient to our superior and be here, is an act of love. Jesus Himself sent His disciples. He sent them, proclaim, preach. He sent them. Why? Because He cannot do otherwise. Because sending is an act of love. And He is a Son of God. He is love. So He cannot do otherwise. To be sent is an act of love. Our being here, because we respond to the call to love. Mo na pinakalisod, gugma, lisod na ay. Sayon raman ni wali, kasayo na ning wali. 20 ka tuig na ko sa pagkapari. Sayon na ng wali, oy, di na ta makulbanan ng wali. Kanang bunyag, misas patay, kasal, kasayon. No? But how about the call to love? It's not easy, my friends. There is no template to it. I cannot say na I'm used to it. I am perfect at the call to love. No. Because different location, different situation present different demands. And it's always a call to love. It's no easy. It's no easy. Mao na nga lisod kay ning among tahas oy. So banimi ninyo ha, murag yun ako unang hangyo, nining una na kong misa, nining anticipated Mass karong Domingo ha, moingon ko ninyo, please, include to pray for us, your priests. Dili ni siya sayon. Punan pa ning inyong team nga gi-assign diri sa Santo Rosario karon, napod yung may extra nga mga trabaho, no? Si Monsignor Beltran is Chancellor of the whole Archdiocese of Cebu. Monsignor Joseph Tan is the liaison officer, media liaison officer of the Archdiocese of Cebu. Muna sige ninyo makita dyan sa TV. Sige ninyo madunggas radyo. Monsignor Joseph Tan. O asa ka na? Nya ako, gi-assign pag yung guaning part sa team na mo-manage sa temporal goods of the Archdiocese of Cebu. I am part of the team. Bago na kong assignment, Paghatag na ko sa appointment letter, naibong ko anong duha ka papel. Di raman day Santo Rosario, napamday ko lang assignment. Pagka nangaot ko sa uoy, ang una na kong giadto, pagkabasa na ko ang chapel sa seminaryo, yung ko Ginoo, basig na sayop ni. Wa man gyud ay ako mampangan. So please include to pray for us. Si Father Benji Herrera, ingon siya, kami may contemporary sa seminaryo. Kami may dungan-dungan, classmate man ganimi. Ingon siya nga magtinabangay ta dinhi kay kadako man aning parokyaha. Na? Nya si Father Cirilo bago pang pari 2 years. Na-assign naman siya diri as deacon, kaila siguro mo uban niya. Nya karon nabalik sa pari na. Mas arang-arangan pa sa Padre Cirilo na mo nga na-assign diri kay na siya previous experience, no? So siya mo guide na mo ahay ni mga kapilya, kinsang mga tawhana, kay he was once assigned here as deacon not long before. Kay 2 years pa man just pagkapari. Ako ning gisulti ninyo kay ang atong mga misa lagi sa alas 6 gikan adtong Miyerkules ba Huwebes is part of our votive mass to honor the Blessed Virgin Mary in preparation for the solemnity of Mary's Assumption on August 15. Muna nga gipili nato ang installation ninyong mga bagong pari on August 15, being Mary, the patroness of the parish. And it so happened that August 15 is the solemnity of the Assumption. Di ba timing kayo? Yan, itando po Church Bisa Palma sa kadagan niyang schedule, nitando siya on August 15. You may call it coincidence, but I call it divine providence. It's divine providence. That's why we have it, the votive mass, novena, to venerate the Blessed Virgin Mary, to beg for her intercession as we prepare for the solemnity on August 15 and the installation of new team of pastors. And in this same Mass also, please join me in thanking God for the gift of vocation to the priesthood. Nya atong apil pasalamatan ang Ginoo sa mga pari nga amo ang gipulihan. Pasalamati ang Ginoo ha. Kay mingon jud mi salamat. Salamat pag-abot namo na mapasalamaton kay mi nga giandam nila ang parokya, giandam nila ang lugar nga di kay mi maglisod nga mopadayon. So please, include also in your prayers, not only to pray for us, to welcome us, but also please have a reserved space, thanking the Lord for the gift of the ministry of the priesthood. The priests previous to us, they have been serving you for some time. Let us thank the Lord nga gipadala sila para sa parokya. So, again, to be sent is an act of love. When God said, God so loved the world, He sent His Son. When this Son, Jesus, comes, He sent His disciples on a mission. He sent them because sending is an act of love. Therefore, when we say yes to this invitation, to this calling, because it is our yes to love. The very primary command is this: love as I have loved you. When Jesus was asked, what is the greatest of all the commandments? Love God, love your neighbor. When He died and resurrected, He said to His disciples, I have a new commandment to you. Love as I have loved you. Our being sent and our response to it is an act of love. And it is not just our calling, it is your calling. Not just ours as priests, but all of us as disciples of Jesus. We are called to love. Let us continue to renew our yes to this command. The command to follow the command of Jesus to love as He has loved. Ato nang Panginoon nga gasa sa Ginoo kanang maong tahas ha. Kadili ba na sayon. Dili na sayon. Lisod yun na kayo. Sayon na jud kayo nga ingnon ninyo yung mga anak kana bitong nagtubo. Kay nigbunyag baya kay kanibiya mga ninong-ninang ginikanan mo promise baya ta we will take care of the child. We teach them the Christian faith. And what is that Christian faith? The call to love. Oh. Nya sayon ra man ganang ingnon ninyo ang mga bata. Oy, pag-ilis na kay musimba taron kay Domingo. Sayon ra kay na oy. Sayon ra kay na kay kun magdumili ang mga bata ingnon ra man ninyo. Musimba taron na, di gani mo musimba. Why bound? karong Lunes, simba ang bata. Ay, sayon ra kayo. Sayon, samot na ganyan inon. Simba ha, kay nagsimba na to. Human na tong simba, mag-mall, to tas mall, manuroy, mag-shopping, ng mga on. Simba, oy, mingon pa na inyong anak, pwede ta mo simba kada adlaw? Anak pa na. Sayon, di ba? But how about the call to love? Kung saan man na kasayon nga, nanimba mo, niya magsimba, nagrosaryo pagyud mo, pag-abot sa inyo ha, niya siging ma-witness sa inyong mga anak, nga magsumbagay mo inyong ilang mamagpapa. Kalisod, ana, oy, sayon ra nang ingong musimba, kasayon na nang magrosaryo, apan ka nang gingong love, hay, kalisod. Mora po namang mga pari, kasayon. Humili, sayon na. Adto sa kapilya, kadug-ol aning kapilya sa Rosaryo, wa magre ko mareklamo akong previous assignment sa Sinteres nga maabot mi dito sa Busay, nga mangatkat pamigbukid, diri panahon nga patag tanan, kasayon. No? But how about the call to love? To be with your people, to share time with them, to feed the hungry, to clothe the naked, to visit the sick. Makaingon ka, that is no easy. It demands a lot of grace from the Lord. I want to say it again. Please, please, include to pray for us, your priests. As we continue this Eucharistic celebration, this is an anticipated Mass. We call on the intercession of Mary, the Mother of God, in preparation for her Assumption, the solemnity of the celebration on August 15. And again, we want to say it again, the installation of your new team of pastors. Please include to pray for us. And please join me in thanking God for the gift of the priesthood, the priest to serve you for some time previous to us, and the priests and the bishops who served this parish long before also for some time. Let us be grateful, be thankful to the Lord.